This is the Makita HS011. This is your 40 volt XGT brushless circular saw. Now, this thing, as you can tell, is an absolute beast. A blade diameter of 270 mil, and when you're talking about maximum cutting depth, at 0 degrees, you're looking at 101 mil. That's ridiculous. But at 45 degrees, you're looking at 71 mil, and it goes all the way through to 60 degrees, and you are looking at 51 mil with this. And I'm joined, as I said, this is an absolute beast, but I'm joined by an absolute beast in his own right, Mr. Simon Bowler. Now, Simon, I know that you love this bit of kit.
Absolutely.
What kind of uses would you be seeing out of this?
So this comes out on our oak framing projects. Like Dan's just said, it will cut 101 millimeters. What that means to me is that when we're using 200 mil square beams, it will cut it in 2 passes. So I don't have to rotate it 4 times. We just have to flip it over to make a cut all the way through.
And one feature about this that I know that you're going to be a big fan of is the AFT. Do you kind of want to tell us a little bit about that?
So it's a big machine with a lot of power, and that means you have to give it a lot of respect. But it does look after you. If you're making a cut and it starts to bind up a little bit, which can happen, it will, rather than kicking, it will just shut down and give you a bit of a warning. Then you can take the machine out and start again.
And there are some other safety features with this as well. I mean, obviously in woodworking, dust extraction, massive deal, right? And with this, it's compatible with Makita's AWS system. So this actually connects to the AWS Makita dust extractors via Bluetooth and will automatically turn on and shut off with the machine. So I assume that's going to make life much easier.
Absolutely, yeah. We like to run a tidy site, and that system really does help us. It is very, very convenient.
That's lovely stuff. Simon, thank you very much for joining us. If you like what you've seen, then you can head over to its.co.uk, check the link in the description below, because you can get yourself this, the Makita HS011 40 volt max XGT brushless circular saw.